with हम सबके चहीते External Affairs Minister Mr. Jaishankar, उनके साथ अभिषेक सिंह जी ने काम किया है in China. All of you will also be very proud to know that Abhishek Singh ji speaks fluent Chinese. So let's give him a round of applause and kindly welcome him on stage. And as I'm welcoming him, let me also welcome some of our other, welcome Mr. Nitin Rajani. Let me welcome Captain Keswani. Let me welcome Dr. Naeem. Let me welcome Mr. Nitin, if he's around here. Let me welcome Mr. Rajendran. Let me welcome Mr. Rhoda Fawaz. I can't welcome myself, but I'll join them. And let me welcome my younger brother, Haresh Manwani. I request all of you to come up so we can unveil the ICA magazine. Thank you for coming, sir. Sir, a quick question before we get started and before we give you the mic.
When Sriramji is, asking questions, one would naturally get very nervous because his questions are not only intelligent but very,
सर हमारी क्या औकात की जो आदमी जयशंकर जी के साथ काम किया है उसका क्या हम मुकाबला करेंगे सर.
Very, very happy to be here. Thank you.
कैसा लगा सर कानू आपका you came in earlier today 5-6 घंटे हो चुके हैं. How has your experience been so far?
So first of all, Sriramji, many thanks, and also thanks for reminding me that today is the 50th day of my tenure in Nigeria. What a beautiful day to be in such a beautiful city, Kano. I think when we look at India-Nigeria relations, I think Kano has been the focus in many ways. And I'm so thrilled to see the vibrant Indian community and so happy to be here amongst all of you. So it has been a wonderful experience till now, and I'm sure it's going to get better from here.
Sir, एक और सवाल थोड़ा tricky है, but for a seasoned diplomat like you should be easy. Sir, पिछले हफ्ते लेगोस जाकर के आए हैं, लेगोस के ICA में भी participate करे हैं, तो एक सवाल बनता है सर, वहाँ कैसा लगा और यहाँ का माहौल कैसा लग रहा है, आप कैसे compare करेंगे सर?
So this is, of course, a question that I would have expected from Sriramji. But since your name is very profound, I'll give you a very profound answer. In fact, Harish Bhai Manwani, he posed the same question to me. And I told him, and I'm going to repeat what I told him, that as your High Commissioner, as the Indian High Commissioner, I feel sometimes the weight of my responsibility makes me feel like a father, though I might be younger than you.
Absolutely. For the first time in my life, I've got a High Commissioner who's younger.
So I feel like a father who refrains to compare his children. And, I would definitely not like to compare Lagos, Kano or Abuja. All are very special places. But what is, unique about my presence in all the places that I am in midst of the Indian community, which is, very vibrant, very committed, and I'm so happy that all of you are happy in the company of each other. So I think Kano is very special, and I'm very delighted and happy to be here.
Thank you, sir. Can you kindly wait? Reddy, I'll request you to felicitate our High Commissioner.
Come on,
sir,
you guys
are
can
welcome.
clap.
And,
come on,
a
thank
big
you so
round
much.
of applause for welcoming His Excellency.
Round of applause. We are honored to have you here, sir.
Thank you, sir. Can we have the magazine that needs to be unveiled?
I'll take this.
Yeah, here. Can you just give a copy to everyone here? That's our new ICA magazine for the year 2025. Yeah, I'm also joining you.
You go, Shriram. I'll handle it. Don't
Thank you.
worry. For all the team that has done the work to get the magazine out and ready, we thank you. For all the sponsors, the contributors, the article writers, thank you so much. Give it up for them and for the magazine. Round of applause. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. One more time, round of applause for the men of Kanu unveiling the ICA Magazine 2025. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm going to take this opportunity to call the title sponsors. He's already here. Mr. Dr. Nadeem from Mahmuda Group. Please, can we have you in the middle, please, sir?
We'll request the High Commissioner to please stay here. We want you to help us felicitate all our major sponsors here. Thank you so much, sir. It'll be an honor. Can you give it to him? Yeah, doesn't matter. So we recognize all your contribution. We recognize your contribution, and Pop Cola has always consistently supported us. They are the manufacturers of one of the best soft drinks you can buy anywhere in the country. They are also into biscuits and so many other goods. We all need to support Pop Cola and Mahmuda Group the way they have consistently stood behind and supported us.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your contributions, for your trust.
Thank you so much, and our special thanks to Hassan Hamoud as well.
Can we have the event sponsor, Mangal Group Director, Mr. Haresh Manwani? Sorry, you have to walk up again. Thank you so much for your contributions, your support. Always been at the backbone of ICA. Anything we need, you're always there to help. Make sure you only fly Max Air. Thank you so much. Round of applause for Mr. Haresh Manwani. Thank you so much for your contribution, your trust, and all your kindness. Thank you so much. Round of applause for Mr. Haresh Manwani. Then can I call, is Mr. Nitin from Skyline here? Nope, okay, can I call the VC, Dr. Ajit on stage? This is our venue sponsor. Give it up for this beautiful venue. Clap for him. Thanks to them, we have this beautiful place that we could have our occasion with every single year. Thank you so much, Dr. Ajit. Round of applause, please. Then we move on to our platinum sponsor, Fast Agro, Mr. Reda Fawaz. Please come on stage to get felicitated and honored for your contribution.
Mr. Fawaz, please come up on stage. Thank you.
We thank Fast Agro for its contributions as a platinum sponsor.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope the food and drinks are keeping you busy and warm. Once the program starts, I'm sure you'll all get tired clapping because that's how good the programs are that have been lined up for you. But let's just recognize all our supporters, people who have consistently stood behind ICA, and let's say thanks to them.
Thank you so
and
much.
Appreciate them.
Can I have Mr. Rajendran, please, for cilantro and all his support over the years? Give it up for Mr. Rajendran. Round of applause. For decades, he has invested his time, his money, and a part of him in Kanu. We will always appreciate what he has done and continues to do. Then can I call platinum sponsor, Big Bite and Primax, Mr. Mayur Patel. Mr. Mayur Patel, thank you so much for your contribution, your support to ICA. And last but not least, the platinum sponsor, my co-host himself, Mr. Sriram, MD of Full Mark. up for my co-host. Thank you, Sriram, for all your love, all your dedication. No matter what you ask Sriram, he is always ready to help. For almost over 3 decades, he has been inputting his money, his time, and his life in Kanu and in Nigeria. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. We truly, truly appreciate it.